Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to delete or even edit a sent email from Hotmail or Outlook. Yeah, it's, a super useful trick if you ever sent something by mistake. So let's dive right in. First, sign into your Hotmail or Outlook account with your email and password. Make sure you're using the same account where you sent the email. Next, go to your Sent Items folder. This is where all the emails you've sent are stored. Scroll through or, search for the email you want to delete or edit. If you want to delete the email, click on it to open, then hit the delete option. This moves it to your trash, but remember, it won't always remove it from the recipient's inbox if they've already received it. To edit a sent email, Outlook has this neat undo send feature. If it's enabled, you'll see an option immediately after sending an email to recall or edit it. Click Undo or Edit quickly, make your changes, and send again. Remember, the key is speed. Undo. Send works only for a short window, usually up to 10 seconds or so. After that, you can only delete from your own account. Always double check before sending, And that's basically it. How to delete or edit a sent email in Hotmail or Outlook. Pretty simple, right? If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more easy email tips. Thanks for watching.